In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and go to About Phone. Here select Build Number and tap on it 7 times. As you can see, now we are a developer, so let's go back, and as you can see, developer options appeared right here. Smoothly open them, and now you can use all those features that are included here. Smoothly scroll down, select some particular option that you would like to apply, for example GPU updates right here, and from now on, as you can see, it is visible. You can turn it off the same way, smoothly by tapping here. You can also activate hardware layers or GPU rendering. Then you can turn it off the same way. Once you want to turn off all developer mode and options, just click here and it is no longer active. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.